Hola España. Hola Cala Millor, Mallorca. Yes, I'm in Mallorca at Playa de Cala Millor, and it is day 2 of my vacation in Mallorca, Spain. And yeah, it's time to end up day 2. Today I have gotten up very late at around 1 p.m. Which means that I had a very long sleep, which is very unusual for me, as I sleep only between 6 to 7 hours maximum per day. But yesterday I slept over 12 hours, which was also refreshing, as I really didn't have extra sleep as I was traveling a lot recently. But yes, now I'm in Mallorca. I'm gonna be here for 15 days. Today is day 2, and I have seen this beach yesterday, also in the sunset golden hour as well. It is 7 p.m. right now exactly, and I am ready for another beach adventure at Platja de Cala Millor. Now the beach is almost empty on this Sunday, which is also Easter day. So happy Easter whenever you're gonna see this video. I'm not really sure, but today is 20th of April 2025. Easter day, and I'm in Mallorca. So I'm staying at Sunwing Calabona, which is approximately 3 kilometers in that direction. But the beach in front of the hotel is a disaster, so I'm forced to find different beaches along the coast. And this is one of the best and quite huge and big. And the water is amazing as well. I have tested it already yesterday. We have currently 19 degrees Celsius in the air, and satellite measurement of the Mediterranean Sea from Palma de Mallorca, which is the capital city of the island, is 16.4 degrees Celsius. So yeah, this is quite a big city, I would say, not a village. I will call this a city, and Calabona, where I'm staying, I'm gonna call it a village because it's very small. Um, there are also no sunbeds on most of the places here, as the season has not officially started, and many people think that it's still winter. I see people in winter jackets all around town. Yesterday evening when I was walking, I was just in shorts and a singlet, and everyone was with winter jackets on. It was like 17 degrees, which is summer in Swedish terms, but I guess that's winter in Spain. So let's get going and do a nice swim in the Mediterranean Sea at Platja de Cala Millor. So it's basically that Mallorca is part of Catalonia, and in Catalan they say Platja for beach, while in Spanish they say playa. And all of the names in the regions that are in Catalonia are sometimes written in both languages, Spanish and Catalan, which are basically similar, but there are obviously a few differences. I have been also in Valencia, which is also part of Catalonia, if I'm not completely mistaken now, but I do recall it was part of Catalonia, as well as Barcelona, that is part of Catalonia. Right, so let's dance with the waves. Today they are not that big as yesterday, but the sea is so clean and nice at Cala Millor. Just look at that. So earlier today I took a short swim closer to the hotel because I was in a rush for the training classes that we have in the hotel. So I have done both Tabata and Bootylicious. So 2 classes, 30 minutes each, so 1 hour full body workout it was. And there were only few people on the classes. We were like 3 people plus the instructor. So it's definitely visible that it is not high season. But I really love to travel in this low season because it is cheaper, there are no people, and it's not that hot. Those are the 3 reasons. There are maybe some more, but basically I don't like having a lot of people on the beach, and I assume this is fully packed in the summer. So if you if you can stand a bit lower temperatures in the cost of paying less money and having more privacy on the beach and everywhere basically, then choose lower season. I love traveling to the Mediterranean from March to May, and then also from September to November, because I know I can swim in those temperatures because the water is still warm, but it's not that crowded, and the flights are super cheap also as well, and accommodation on top of that. So that is my tips to you for the Mediterranean. If you want to skip the super crowded touristy spots, which makes me think, now that I'm in Mallorca, maybe I should consider go to Ibiza, because I have never been to Ibiza, and it's just a short, well, it's just a boat ride from Palma. I'm not really sure how long it takes. I need to. There are also flights, I think. I believe. So, yeah. Then let's get going with a dip here in Playa Cala Millor in Mallorca. Let's go! Super nice and super refreshing indeed. So obviously you can see I'm on the east coast, as the sun will be setting behind the mountains, but it's so nice and lovely. Cool, so that's a wrap for this episode for now from Playa Cala Millor. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to tune in for more beach adventures on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.